The Pool Blaster Catfish is unlike any other pool cleaner available today. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, yet it's powerful enough to clean large leaves, dirt, and debris from your pool or spa. You'll love its durability, efficiency, and power. The Catfish works without hoses, electrical connections, and suction lines. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 45 minutes and will keep your above-ground pool or inflatable pool and spa clean, simply and easily. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 45 minutes and will keep your above-ground pool or inflatable pool or spa clean, simply and easily. It can also pick up sand, silt, and algae from your water. The Pool Blaster Catfish is the smart choice for cleaning your above-ground pool or spa.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.